Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add borders onto your text on Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in express.adobe.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Adobe Express website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you can start working on any of your designs. Now, once you are inside your design page, if you wish to add an outline or a border on your text, then start with editing your text first. Make sure you highlight the text within which you wish to edit your border. And once you choose it, just scroll down and then choose the color of your outline. After choosing your outline color, you will see the outline thickness option. You can increase this in order to increase the thickness of the outline that you see on the outside of your text. And you can decrease this in order to decrease the outline. And now this will act as a border on your text. You can do this with all of your text in order to make them pop out and stand out to drag attention. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a border or outline to your text on Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.